So, Algebra 10, and that's a B. 10a was creating them. Now we're going to look at solving some simple ones. So, same number of x's or y's, but you can see we have we got different signs? We have, so we can add the two lines together to get x plus x is 2x, y minus y is 0, and 10 plus 4 is 14. So straight away we can see that x is 7, and if x is 7, put it into one of the equations. I'm going to take the first one, 7 plus y, or 7 plus something is 10. So y has to be 10 minus 7, which is 3. So we have our solution to the first one. Second we're going to look at, let's go 2x plus y is equal to 8, and 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. So are we the same number of x's or y's? The first question we have to ask ourselves is no. How do I get the same number? Well, I need to multiply this one by 2 to get 2y. Then I only have to multiply one equation. So I'm going to multiply this one by 2 to get 4x plus 2y is equal to 16. Just double check 4, 2 and 16, and then write the other equation underneath. 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. Combine the two lines. 4x plus 3x is 7x. The y's cancel or give us 0, and 16 and 5 is 21. So in this case x is 3. So we have to put it back into one of the equations. I'm going to put it in here. 2x, 2 times 3 plus y is equal to 8. 6 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 2. Now if you're asked to verify your answer, what we do is we take one of the other equations that we have. We have 3 other equations here. So let's take the second one of the original ones, and verify that x is 3 and y is 2. So 3 times 3 minus 2 times 2, is that equal to 5? 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So 5 equals 5, and you can write verified. So sometimes people don't know what verify means. You're just putting the answer back in to one of the equations that you were given at the beginning. Okay, let's look at 2 more. Okay, in this equation we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 12, and x plus 3y is equal to 5. So the signs are the same for everything, so we need to make one of them a minus. So if I focus on the y's, I have to multiply both equations to get the same number, which will be 6. But if I just multiply this one here by 5, or by minus 5, I'm going to get minus 5x, which will cancel. So I'm going to get minus 5 by x, minus 5 by 3, and minus 5 by 5. Bring the first equation down, write it underneath, and let's see what we get here. So we're going to get minus 15 plus 2 minus 13y equals minus 25 plus 12 minus 13. And if you have two minus signs like this, straight away you can change it to pluses. 13 by what is 13? So y is equal to 1. And if y is equal to 1, what's x? Well, let's look at the first equation here. We'll come up here. So we have 5x plus 2y is equal to 12. 5x plus 2 is 12. 5x plus 2 is 12. So 5x has to be 10. You can see 10 plus 2 is 12. 5x equals 10. So x is equal to 2. So I'll put 2 more down now, and you guys try them. Pause the video and try them, and then we'll move on to the next section in simultaneous equations. Okay, so watch it once and then try it, or try it yourself if you're confident that you can get the solutions to these. Try it first. Okay, first one. What do you see about it? Well, we can multiply the top one by 2 to get 4y, but we're going to multiply it by minus 2 to get minus 4y. So you may see in some books they number them 1, first equation, second equation, this becomes the third equation. I prefer to just use arrows. So multiplying by minus 2, we get minus 6x minus 4y equals minus 20. The most common mistake in these questions, you forget to multiply one of the numbers. You might write minus 6x minus 4y equals 10. So just check your answer each time. So we've got 5x plus 4y equals 16. So we're going to get minus x. You can see we're going to get minus x equals minus 4. So just write x equals 4 at this point. You could write minus x is equal to minus 4, but as you're saying it, your brain should tell you mathematically to write x is equal to 4. So now pick any of the equations. Which one looks easiest? Probably the first one. Smallest number, isn't it? 3x. 3 times 4 plus 2y is equal to 10. 12 plus something is equal to 10. Well, it's a bit counterintuitive. 12 minus something is equal to 10. So 12 minus 2. So 2y is equal to minus 2. So y is equal to minus 1. Hopefully you've mastered simultaneous equations at this point. They're not that difficult, but they do require practice. Now, this is the first one I've deliberately put in where you have to multiply both lines. So it doesn't really matter which one you do here. So I'm going to multiply the top one by 5 to get 10x. And the bottom one by 2 to get 10x, but I'm going to multiply by minus 2. So, top one. Everything by 5. Be careful to multiply everything. 10x plus 25y is equal to 17 5s, you know, are 85. 50 and 35. Bottom line, minus 2 by 5x minus 10x. 2 by minus 2 minus 4y. And 11 by minus 2 is plus 22. So what are we going to get here? We're going to get 21y is equal to 63 minus 63, you're saying? So y is equal to 63 divided by 21 is 3, so minus 3. And if y is equal to minus 3, take this top equation to get x. You can take any of them, but I normally just go for the top one. 2x plus 5 times minus 3 is equal to minus 17. 2x minus 15 is equal to minus 17. Minus 2 minus 15 is equal to minus 17. So 2x equals minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1.